What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the DJI Neo 2, and it's a fantastic little drone. And one of the things that DJI claims is a flight time of 19 minutes. Now, if you've ever flown a drone before, you know that you're not going to get what the manufacturer says you will. Now, that 19 minutes, I'm sure that's without these prop guards that come installed on this drone when you buy it, and in ideal windless conditions, but nobody flies in ideal conditions. So what I did is I put this thing to the test. And I thought a fun way to do this would be to film my nephew. Now we just celebrated Christmas and I got him in the grab bag. So I took some fun wrapping his gift. And I challenged him. I said, if you can unwrap your gift before this drone has to land, I'll give you 20 bucks. Challenge accepted. So, who wins? Is it the Neo or is it my nephew? Okay, so a couple of things. I am obviously going to speed this video up, and I'm doing a screen recording. So in the upper right-hand corner, you can go ahead and see the battery kind of drain, as well as the amount of time that it estimates that I have left. Also, you can see in the lower right-hand corner, I have kind of a timer that I've also sped up this same amount of time. So it's going to kind of count down or count up, I guess, to see how long this bad boy will fly. So let me just tell you, yes, I did have some fun wrapping this gift for my nephew. I actually did it in stages because, well, it was a lot of fun. We did some saran wrap in the outside, which was fun, and I put some pictures of his face on that, some humorous pictures that I've gathered. I used a bunch of duct tape. I used a bunch of packing tape. You can see there are some zip ties. I even used some actual wire on there. So, yes, it was definitely a challenge for him, and I figured, you know what? This shouldn't take him more than 10 minutes. I kind of set this up so I hoped he could win, but you know what? If not, oh well. So what did I end up getting him? You're not going to actually, I don't think, see what it is, but it's a case to hold baseball cards. He's really into baseball cards, so that's what I got him. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. You can see the family was kind of getting into it. And yeah, this drone is nice. It's a nice little drone, really stable. I actually used it to take a family picture, right? It basically served as a tripod, and I could get everybody in frame and take that picture. It's nice for that. It's easy to fly indoors. We had a Santa come and throw gifts to the kids. Actually, we gave him a bunch of singles, and he threw them off the banister. It was fun for the kids to catch that. I flew the drone to catch some photos of that. Great for indoor stuff. But yeah, this is a fun little drone. You can see he got it. He did succeed, and I still have about 3 minutes left. So I'm going to keep this thing up in the air, and you can see it's going to fly around a little bit longer. We're going on 10 minutes, which is about what I figured it should take him. There's my nephew, another one of my nephews. He's been featured in videos before. You can kind of see the fam all together. I got a large family of 3 sisters. They all have children, so lots of kids running around this house. Looks like someone also had some fun wrapping his gift there. Yes, we have some fun on Christmas. We have fun. Just in general. But yes, back to the Neo. Still in the air, right? We're going on 13 minutes, and you can see we're getting close. But yeah, this is a good drone. It does a nice little follow me. I've been practicing or trying that. All right, so we're doing a return home, and it's definitely struggling to land here. Trying to get outside. I had to land it myself. Okay, so as you saw, the drone landed at about 14 minutes and 20 seconds at 8% battery, which means if we kind of extrapolate out, the best case scenario that I could have gotten would be about 15 and a half minutes. But here's the reality. The last little bit of battery sag, it's not a linear progression, right? It actually goes a lot quicker. And the other thing, if you're going to run your batteries to absolute zero, you're going to damage your batteries. That is actually really bad for battery health. So don't do that. So you really should land it probably around the 15 or 20% mark when you have 15 or 20% battery left. That is the best thing you can do for your battery. So yeah, about 14 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe if you're pushing it. That's about the best you're probably going to do. If you want to get a little bit more time, take these prop guards off. It'll save you a tiny bit of weight. Maybe you can eke out another minute or so. Hey, hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more videos on the Neo 2 or any drone really, right? I fly all kinds of drones, big drones, little drones, FPV drones. We even do a handful of other different technologies, e-bikes, cameras, video games, fun stuff. Check out the channel. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, everybody. Happy flying.